Alright, what is up guys? We're going to go over the recap today. It is December the 20th, currently 7:13 p.m. You might hear some noises in the background. So my wife's in there baking, my son's watching a movie, and he screams quite often for no reason. So anyways, kind of busy today, you know, holidays coming up and stuff. But I figured I'd just go ahead and get it done now. As you can see in my Tradenet account, I finished down $508, which is super disappointing. Just terribly disappointing. And it was all on MRPN, and I need to put this back to a minute here, and I will pull up the executions. Let's see, use the trades, yeah. And still not in order. Anyways, okay. So MNPR. My first mistake was market ordering in because it was just moving, just pop, pop, pop so fast. You couldn't get filled in a limit order. But after I market ordered in, so I got filled at 37.10. The ask dropped to 36. So I was literally already down $1 a share on 200 shares. Actually, I was down more than that because it kind of does an average of the two on the unrealized. So I was down like $300 for most of it, but then it pops up all the way to 43.36, and at that split second, I was up $385. What happened? What was very disappointing is I actually put a sell order out for 100 shares at 40, but I clicked it right after the pop. And the next order that goes through is 39.96 or something like that. I'm actually gonna just pull up that live video and play it. So actually pause it. I'll pull it, put it right there. Now you'll be able to see here. Oh, started to play on its own anyways. Okay, so right here you'll see this is, you know, it would be like how much I'm up or down, which right here I'm down 351 at the time. If you look right here, you can see the order be placed. See, I've already got my mouse on the sell order. I got a limit order topped out for $40 at a limit price of $40. So I literally hit the click to sell button after the pop, and then the next order that goes through, can I drag it over enough? Maybe if I made it smaller. Because I want you to be able to see both. So I want you to be able to see this, like this, because that's the price, the execution price of the stock. Here's how much I'm up or down, and here's the orders being placed. And I'll pause it as I go. So see here right now, you can see that first little pop over 40. Boom. Nope, not even over 40 yet, and I haven't hit it yet. And the thing is I hit it before another pop, but it still said sending. Nope, still not. And now I'm up $380. It's at 41.48. I still haven't hit the button yet. Boom, accept sell. 41.75. Accept the sell. The next order is at 39.53. So not 40. 39. Boom. 39.96. 4 pennies away from filling my order. Just closing up half, but still, you know, it wouldn't have been that damaging. 39.12, 39.96, 39.03, 38.80, and then it comes down from there. And that first loss was just skip forward. I locked it up at a loss of 210, and then I see if I can find the other trade, which is even worse, I guess. So yeah, I'm waiting on it to break out. I'll market order in again. I should have got in here. That would have been a good trade. But no. see what where I got in at. 46. So I get in at 46. The high is 46.50. So I only had 50 cents to make profit there. I'm not even all the way over. So the high is 46.51, and I got in at 46. Oh, but anyways, it is what it is. Didn't do good in this this account on that stock, but I did do good on that stock in my paper account. And what's aggravating here is, you might not be able to see this if you're watching on a phone, but right here it says canceled orders. Here at 9/31/41, I canceled an order that I had placed for 1,000 shares at $28.80 or $29.80. Get this all set up. And as you can see right here, I'm finishing up $19.98 on this stock. So that first order for 1,000 shares would have been right here at $29.87. But as most of you know, this first minute of trading on the simulator does not fill orders. So if I got filled here 1,000 shares from 29, selling up here at 35, that'd have been $6,000, just bam, just like that, $6,000. A guy in chat made 12 grand. He got in before the halt, and then it popped out up here, and he sold. I don't know where he sold or how much he had or anything. He don't discuss all that stuff, but he made $12,000 in the first, well, technically 15 minutes because it was halted for 15 minutes. So he halted at 9:30. Oh, it was only halted for 10 minutes. 31 to 41. I thought we halted 15 minutes. But anyways, yeah, that would have been $6,000. But it didn't get filled. I broke it down by the tick. Unfortunately, this doesn't tell what time you place the order. It tells you what time you canceled the order. Time canceled, 9:31. If I knew what time I placed it, I'd count it if it would have been filled based off of the chart. Because you can go over here, time frame, tick, one tick, boom, and it'll break it down to like the little micro cells, like basically every cell on the stock. So market open. Oh well, I mean, I guess it's already open, but 31, 30. See, right in here is where my order would have been placed. 1,000 shares. So that was 100 shares, 100 shares. Oh, okay, so that one's 600. 500,000. Yeah, so right, I mean, here in this little second or two, whatever, it would have been filled, but I don't know when I hit the button, so I don't, not going to count it. Not going to go add 6 grand to my account. But in any case, still finishing up $19.98 on it. And let's pull up and show the trades, because I didn't make a whole lot of trades on it. I guess just one trade. So I didn't trade this move because I was trading in my Tradenet account and I was focused on it. So in any case, I should have tried to take this trade in my Tradenet account, because that would have been amazing. If I'd have got in here with even 100 shares and it pop up here, boom, up $600. Or no, 100 shares would have been 3,000. Well, yeah, because it's 100 shares, so $1 per share, so it's still $600, $700, $800. I mean, it could have been easily $1,000. But I got it 200 shares, so it would have been like $1,200. Regardless, I'm irritated with it. Whoops, just irritated with my trading altogether today. But I mean, I did good in this account. So I bought 1,000 at $37.99. Yeah, about right here where the doji is actually. Selling 250 at $39.50, 250 at $39.97, and the rest of it, well, sold them in increments. So 150 at $39.41, another 150 at $39.41, and 200 at $41.49. That's a good sell. It was right at the top. But in any case, so that was it on that one. What else did I trade? I'll hide or get rid of those canceled orders. DCAR. This one was a good one today. And I was a little skeptical of DCAR just because it was under $1, but it was moving up so fast. So we knew it was about to get halted. No, it was 5 minutes. Okay, so it was moving up really quick. We knew it was going to get halted just based on the volume and the how it was moving. I just market ordered in, filled at the very top, 5,000 shares, and I sold the whole 5,000 as it came out just because I didn't know if it would hold up $1, and it did. So going into this haul, So going into this haul, I bought 2,500 more shares because that was what I already had typed out. So just nothing crazy. It's only like $3,000. Come out, sold the whole thing. Then it was moving into another halt, jumped right back in with 2,500 more shares. And when it come out, I sold the whole thing because after being halted 3 times, I figured, we're going to have a pullback. And it did. It came back and got halted on the downside. But by that time, I was done. Up, $1,325 on it. So that was it for Okay, and that was all 3 trades. And that was all my trades for today. That's it. Just 2 stocks. 2 stocks, 4 trades. Up. Let me just zoom in there so everyone can see it. 33.23. So over here, the 4,600. It's been adjusted a couple times for reasons I've mentioned in other videos. I'm not going to explain it all here, but this account, 25,505, was started at $5,000. So I've made $20,500 in profit, and that is why I'm not too sad today. Kind of happy about that. Just oops. Ugh. And I'm gonna pull over my trader view so we can go over it, because that's one thing to be happy about today is breaking the $20,000 profit level or threshold or whatever you want to call it. So let me kind of fill the screen here. Oh, okay. So 20,511 is the total profits here. For some reason, those 2 accounts get off by like $3 to $4 or $5 every so often, and that's one of the reasons I reset my other account, because they get off, and I want them to be even because I'm crazy. Just a little OCD. Winning percentage still around 54%. I average between 52% and 56%. So that's pretty awesome to be up $20,000 in that account with a 54% win rate. Because my average average winning trade is 584. Average losing trade is 332, but not really. My largest loss was 3,800, so that kind of brought the average up quite a bit. I guess my largest win is also around 3,800, so that brought my winning trades up. But in any case, $20,000 profits. This is it by day. My largest loss, my largest win. My largest loss is bigger than my largest win by $100. The growth chart, that's that big loss. Then gradually moving up back. Another thing I'm excited about is December. After that massive loss on the 3rd, I thought my goal is to make $2,000 on the month. Here I am sitting up 11,100 on the month, already passing November of 9,300. Granted, my account was a lot bigger. Going into November, I was literally in the red. I was, started with $5,000. I was in the red like $200. So I only had $4,800 in the beginning of November. Coming into December, whatever 4,800 plus 9,300 is, basically right at $15,000, I guess, just under. So, yep. Calendar. can see all the different days. You know, started off amazing, then I had the massive setback, and then the rest of that week was just not great because this day canceled out this day, and then this was just tiny. So you know, I was still down like $2,000 coming into the second week, and then just I had a really good day Monday, an amazing day Tuesday, and then you know Wednesday this week I had down $1,400. But this week has been a little different because I've been trading my Tradenet account and I've been paying attention to it more. So this day would have been a green day, but I wasn't paying attention to this account. I was paying attention to the other one. Today, the only reason I made so much here is because, well, for one, Tradenet wouldn't let me trade DCAR, and two, I'd already lost $500, so I wasn't about to try to trade MR. What stock is it? MNPR again. So I decided to just trade it in this account. So, yep, and that's it for today. I mean, and I'm thinking maybe January I'll start my account over and do it following, like, I don't know if I'm going to do it like following PDT rule, or if I'm just going to set it to where I can only trade 3 trades a day, like make 3 trades. So, I mean, you can get in and sell as many times as you want until you've sold through that stock, but 3 day trades a day maybe. That'll be more realistic to what's going to be able to happen in real life, you know, because with this account, you know, I started with $5,000, but I was trading like there was no PDT rule. So, and I know you can go to offshore brokers and stuff, but I like my TD Ameritrade. I like my setup. I like being able to use my active trader buttons. The only thing I don't care for is their level 2. I mean, I'm fine with it. I can read it, but I like oh man, E-Trade's level 2, much better. So I should have traded RAD in my Tradenet account today, because I could have literally bought, see, when I looked at the stock earlier, I was like, if I was watching this at the open, I would have bought probably here the break of this high on this candle. So around, let's just say 1230. And I could have bought 1,000 shares. Went in with $12,300. Now, I probably would have sold early, you know, but if I'd have bought 1,000 shares here, let's see, 12, 13, 14, 30. What? Could have made $2,000, you know, from here to here, and that would have been from 9:34 to 10:27. So, what, 40 minutes? But I don't know. It is what it is. I didn't want to trade Rite Aid for some reason. Just got something against it. Not really, but made this awesome move in pre-market yesterday and gave some opportunity here. I ended up losing money on it yesterday, but even though it gave us a little opportunity, but today was just a great day for it. I don't know. Monday, hopefully, I can dig out of the hole a little bit on that account, make some green back in it. I was really hoping to grow that account, be able to transfer money into this account, but doesn't really seem like that's going to be working out for me. But in any case, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.